In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Netspend debit card. Activating your card is a straightforward process that helps you start using it without any hassle. So, let's dive right into it to ensure you can begin making transactions smoothly. Firstly, you're going to want to open up your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and perform a quick search for Netspend. You'll see a list of search results, and here's where you need to look out for the official Netspend website. It's important to choose the correct link, which should resemble something like Netspend debit cards, reloadable prepaid, no credit check. Clicking on this will direct you to the Netspend homepage. Once you're on the Netspend website, look for the Activate option. This is usually prominently displayed because it's an action that many new users will need to perform. Clicking on this button will take you to the card activation page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter some essential details. At this stage, have your new card handy because you will need key information located on it. Firstly, you'll be asked to type in your card number. This is the long 16-digit number located on the front of your card. Carefully input each digit to ensure accuracy. A mistake here could lead to a failed activation attempt. Next, you'll need to input the security code. This is a 3-digit number found on the back of your card, typically to the right of the signature strip. Enter this number just as carefully as you did with the card number. It acts as an added layer of security, so it's essential that it's entered correctly. Once you've entered both numbers, take a moment to double check your entries. Errors could delay the activation, so it's always a good idea to give everything a once-over to avoid frustration. After confirming that the information is correct, click on the Continue button. This will submit your information for verification with Netspend. If all the details are correct, your card should activate quickly, and you'll be all set to use it for your purchases or online transactions. However, if there are any issues, the site will typically walk you through troubleshooting steps or provide customer service options. And that's it! You've successfully activated your Netspend debit card. Now, whether you're planning to shop in-store or online, your card is ready to help you manage your finances easily. Thanks for watching, and happy spending!